Welcome to video part 1 Dashboard in this series of eDocs support tutorials. The main landing page for eDocs is the dashboard, giving you access to everything you'll need from the eDocs system. The dashboard contains a notice board section, providing you with important information about the system or changes to documents, and the account alerts section, providing you with specific notifications about your account that you might need to be aware of. As eDocs is not a long-term storage facility, your account alerts will include details of pending document deletions. More information about the deletion process can be found in video part 10, Deleted Documents. In addition to the notice board and account alerts, you'll have quick access to the last 5 documents that have been edited on your account from the latest document activity listing found on the lower section of this page. The top navigation menu is visible on every page, giving you direct access to exactly where you need to go in just a few clicks. Return to the dashboard at any time by clicking on the dashboard menu option or the Master Builder's logo. Other tasks that you gain quick access to from the main navigation menu include creating a new document, access to individual jobs, your address book where you can manage your own business profile as well as details of your subcontractors and clients, and managing your account transactions and credit via the settings or account balance. For a detailed overview of each of these menus, please watch the relevant video in this series. For security of your account, ensure you log out after each session from your profile area. To learn more about eDocs, continue to watch the other videos in this series, or if you need to speak to someone, contact your local Master Builder's office.